¿Tú quieres jubilete?
Why don't you smile with your teeth? Why don't you ever show off any teeth?
Dígalo.
So in a conversation, you never smile or anything.
Like,
Look, have a conversation with Carl.
Chiste.
What are you doing? Smiling without any teeth. Guys, right now there's an accident outside my street.
Oh my god, and they left with all those.
There's police, firefighters. What has happened? How the heck does this happen? The truck is literally over there. Is that a lady cop?
Cállate la boca.
Is this a prank?
Yeah, no, I don't think this is a prank.
Are you pranking me right now?
Yeah,
Are you kidding me?
Oscar, I'm gonna have a seizure with these lights. Jesus Christ.
Fucked up.
Oh yeah, crazy.
Did you see it go down?
No.
It's a bad accident.
Oh.
The ambulance had to go to the ambulance.
When?
Yeah, you see people go get it. I saw some ambulances out here.
Oh yeah.
Oh, he's gone. I was going down 17th to Lockwood. I saw some ambulances and some cops, so their lights on, going fast.
No wonder my Amazon package didn't get delivered.
That's a funny one. That's fucking hilarious.
I'd just like to say that you see how you're going like red and blue? That's gonna happen again, but they're actually gonna be after you next time.
El señor que está muerto en la acera era el chofer de la troca.
No, yo no sé. ¿Alguien muerto?
Mírelo allí.
Ahí se ve.
Mírelo, está tapado con las blankets.
That right there is a dead person. This is only Carl in this bed.
That's my arm. That's my other arm over there. Oh my god!
Carl, why would you do that?
I know I wouldn't do that.
I didn't know you loved Kanye.
No. Yeah, this is something else. You're watching something else.
Jesus Christ.
You are watching something else.
Look at this giant guy. He should beat this little guy easily. Oh my god. What? What? What just happened? I literally turned on the camera and it's over. Oh, oh, Super Bowl. Wow, that voice crack. The food is here. Pizza, wings, Cheetos, we got dessert. You ready to eat all of that?
No, thank you. I'm fat. I'm diabetic.
Yeah, see? Just like that. Push it in. Just push. Look at it in his butt.
Guys, I think my sugar's getting too high.
Look at this spicy wing. Ooh. You still got this pie to finish.
No, my Cheetos.
I've had like 3 chocolate chicos today.
Where am I?
Nada, he's squishing you. Grab my hand. I can't believe just how much I eat just for the Super Bowl. I never ate like this ever. Stop. Yes. Look.
Look at him run.
Horrible throw. Directly to him, honestly. Wow. That fat guy. Look at that fat guy. He needs a coffee right now to wake up.
I meant like really famous people.
Dang.
Where do I know that guy from?
Your thoughts?
That's Pete Davidson. He dated Kim Kardashian. He
Where would I
became the
know him
stepdaddy of Kanye's kids for a second, and then they split up. Kanye's still daddy. is what I'm trying to say. Their daddy, not my daddy. How is this possible? This is the best quarterback.
Oh, lo movieron por eso.
This game is officially over. I don't know what else can be done at this point.
I gave them my blessing. I did this all by myself.
Certified boogeyman, I'm the one up the skull. Walk you down the whole time, I know he got some hoe. Paul, extort, Willie Defro. Say Drake, I hear you like I'm young. You better not ever go to
Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. This Super Bowl is over.
Y se ve que ni corría el verde, viste como que iba like. Y el otro. That's what I look.
What you saw.
That's what I look.
That's what I look at.
That's what I saw.
¿Tú sientes con esto? A ver, no, solo así. Se siente caliente. Despide un papel a Jocelyn.
This feels like I'm bullying an autistic kid. Don't put that in. Please, John can't be canceled like this.
This couch ain't big enough for the 4 of us.
Who's 4?
1,
Quiero,
2,
vean,
3,
vean.
4.
Oye, vean porque...
There we go. Super Bowl is done. Nobody wants to talk with the Telemundo reporter.
Ay, no vale bien Telemundo. Ay, no vale bien Telemundo. What is NBC News?
Jesus. Hey, hey. Hola, hola. ¿Cómo se siente ganar el Super Bowl?
Perdí, que no te diste cuenta. No, es un condom.